You're already spending on ads, but you're not seeing returns. Because most ads don't fail from budget. They fail from weak creatives. We create video ads that don't just look good. They print revenue. We turn your raw footage into high-performing content that captures attention and drives action. 20 times watch time, 8 times more views, and up to 30% more reach in just 90 days. Or you don't pay. This isn't for businesses experimenting. This is for founders who are serious about scaling. We turn your videos into a growth engine. 3 times more views, 10 to 27,000 new followers, and a brand people actually remember, with hands-on strategy every step of the way. If you're ready to scale, apply below. We only work with brands that are ready to grow.